po ang UAP Women's Volleyball coverage natin na Studio 23 and ABS-CBN Sports. Boom Gonzalez kasama po si Mozzie Ravena. Tatlong set na po tayo. Lamang ng isa ang National U. 2 sets to 1. Set number 3. Another tight one. National U able to crawl back. But those 2 service errors, medyo mabigat yun. Kaya nagkaroon ng pagkakataon itong UST to close it out.
Plus, after that, sabi mo nga, non-recall by Coach Francis.
Yes.
After
21-18.
Could have been an important one. But still, NU, kanina dun sa second set, it was Pablo who was a key factor in that second set. But in this third set, it was Lastimosa for UST doing a great job. And they were able to take this set. And as we know, NU leading by 2 sets. So at least UST is still alive in this game. Yun nga yung sinasabi mo problema. Now you want to see NU. You want to see the character, how they will close out. If, diba, they close out. Yun ang in question. So let's see that. They have one more. Kung ako yan, I will, if I were Coach Francis, I want to take it in the sports set.
Of course.
Diba? You don't want to go full stretch with UST.
Because you don't want the pressure being felt by your players again.
Ito na eh. This is the moment and it's yours. In fact, yung third set, almost eh.
Tapos, isipin mo pa, Mozzie, other than, nabigyan ng extra set, UST pa to. That's the specter of going 0-2. It's exactly what happened last year, and we don't want that for National University. But UST showing character as usual in that third set.
And look at the attack points. Once again, just like in the second set, pareho ang attack points nila. So both teams just equalizing each other on that department.
So set number 4. Here's Perez, who had 2 service errors, one crucial one to give UST set point. And that's set number 3. Santiago from behind. Tunay was there. Caballero checked. There was coverage, but may butas.
And Judy Caballero once again read well by the defense of the Lady Bulldogs. Nung sinabi kanina in the pregame na yan ang babantayan, alam mo, the people na sinabi nilang babantayan, talaga namang nabantayan in this game ng NU.
Yung mga hindi inaasahan. Yan ang magiging
yun ang kailangan for UST naman, on the other hand. Imagine they even had to sit out Maru.
Maru in the second set. Pablo again.
Pablo just outsmarting UST on that last play.
She has 11 points on 10 attacks rather. And 1 block. Good overall game for Myla Pablo. And a 2-0 lead. Ivy Perez continues to serve. Good serve. Good serve.
This time it's an ace for Perez.
And Coach Odi will change liberos. And starts
It's done for a moment. Sometimes, alam mo, maganda yan eh. You sit down your player, you make her see what's happening inside the court. But, right away, error. And Dusaran comes back.
By the way, again, explain natin, Mozzie, dun sa mga bagong nanonood, bakit pwede ang ganyan? Dahil sa libero, no, Mozzie, pwede nilang gawin yan.
Yes, and pwede na rin ngayon yung innovation nga na dalawa na yung libero in the roster.
That's right.
So, before, isa lang yan. But so pag nagkasakit yan or wala nang libero. So this time, dalawa na ang pwede.
Which is just right.
Yes.
It's just right.
Kung yung mga players na pwedeng isabi, kawawa na may libero kung di siya pwedeng isabi. And imagine, she actually subs for all of them.
So it's 4-1. Again, Myla Pablo's having a great day here, finding spots in that UST defense.
And credit Perez for giving it to Pablo.
Underhand pa.
Alam niya, mainit. And that's great thinking for Perez as a setter.
At narinig mo yung tunog, Mozzie, hindi pa nga parang na-miss-hit pa, no? Lastimosa. Dug up. Back set. Why not?
Oh,
Why not?
Once again, giving it.
This time, Urdas.
Urdas,
Come on.
this time for Urdas. And once again, it was si Perez. Because everybody expecting it to go to Dindin Santiago.
Or Pablo.
And gives it to Urdas this time. That's what you want from a setter. Yung diskarte.
Pareho kasi book ni Pablo at ni Urdas. So, tignan mo, di ba?
Baka nagkamali.
Paika is checked at the net. Kept alive. Tunay, cross court. Nepomuceno was there. Save. Pablo down the line. Regalo ba?
Oh,
Hindi maabot. Hindi abot.
very close to the net. But
Yep.
Micah Ortiz was there. Should have went up
straight,
in the
huh?
air
Yeah.
and, you know,
Tried.
did something with that ball.
Laki na nito. 6-1. 6-point lead. 7-1. National U looking to close it out. Kende. That's a great serve by Dadang. Great return by Pablo.
Alam mo,
Great reflexes.
nothing to take anything against Pablo, away from Pablo. Pero napakaswerte rin talaga dyan. Kasama si Lady Luck.
Kit Kat break. Get ready for what's next. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.